If you want to enable or disable BeaconLink on OnePlus 15, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna go to Mobile Network. There we go. And then in here we have the BeaconLink. Of course, we need to press agree and continue if you go here for the first time, and also we need to agree to user statement. We also have to use a OnePlus account to be able to use this feature, so I'm just gonna sign in with my Google account. That is, of course, the quickest way to create an account. We have to go through the security verification as well. There we go. And once the account is created, well, we also have to complete the account info. There we go. Then we also have to grant the access to all this stuff over here for BeaconLink. There we go. And now we should be able to use it quite easily with other devices that also have the access to the BeaconLink. So some OnePlus devices, Oppo devices, and probably Realme smartphones as well. And that is pretty much it. Oh, and of course we can also tap who can call us and who can message us. We can also refresh the list of nearby people who also have BeaconLink. We can also switch to chats, of course. Here we have settings, and that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.